Welcome to another video and I'm going to be teaching you how to create a simple thumbnail design. Welcome guys to another video. So I'm going to be creating a simple thumbnail design for you want to start a YouTube channel. So first of all, you go to this design templates here. You see all the designs. You can just pick an easy template you want to use. For starters, remember it's a simple thumbnail design. We picked this one, income great ideas, low investment, and we're going to just change this picture to our picture now. So we're going to quickly delete that and go to upload. So if you want to upload your picture to Canva, so you can see my pictures have been uploaded. So I just pick one of the pictures and you can see it with the background, and I'm going to now remove my background, and you can see this is a kind of like an AI picture. So if you want to have your pictures really smooth and really nice, comment down below so I can do another tutorial of how to actually get it like this. Now for pro version, you just have to get the pro version. The pro version is not expensive. We have the link down below if you want to get access to it for just 3,000 naira. So you just remove the background and you adjust it to the size, make it very big. And imagine if your thumbnail is about, if your video is about financial videos, so this is already income already written over there, you just change the great ideas to like income tips for, that is what I'm about to write. So you can see it's different colors and different categories of fonts. So I've written income tips for, we're going to change that low investment now to remote jobs. So I'm already writing and remote jobs. Then remote jobs is not as long as the low investment that was previously written. So we're going to reduce that triangle size now. We're going to draw it down back a bit, then we click on it and we reduce the size. Then we try to adjust it so it can match the remote jobs back in it. Yes, perfectly nice and done. Now with this easy thumbnail design, you can actually get started as a YouTuber, as a content creator, and you can you have your links on your link tree and all other platforms that you want to publish. So for the animated AI professional picture, to turn your pictures into smooth, clean, comment down below so I can actually do that video. And for the CapCuts and the Canva Pro, you can actually click the link to actually get access to it directly. It's just 3,000 naira. It's not expensive at all. So I'm actually trying to get a remote background. So you see I just clicked on it and remove background removed. So I want to make it transparent now, and but if I do this to be a more detailed thumbnail, so I am just, you can see, just to do it in this video, but because it's a simple thumbnail design, I would prefer that you really don't do that, because it has lots of things. You just use edit, magic eraser to erase certain things to take more time. So because of that, we are not going to use this for our design for today. But if you want a more detailed, more graphic thumbnail design, comment down below so I can actually do that video. And like this video, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming videos that we're going to do to become a pro as a graphic designer, as someone that is a small YouTuber that's trying to upgrade and make your channel look like a pro already. So let's get to 1,000 subscribers to subscribe. Now we've deleted it, so that is just it for this thumbnail design. Comment down below. You can see you can download it up here. You can just click, you can save it as an image, you can do public view. Either of the thing works. So make sure you subscribe and see you in the next video.